Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make a decrease, double crochet decrease in the beginning of the row, middle and end of the row depending on the project you are making. So I have prepared here a piece of double crochet 3 rows, and I'm gonna start the 4th row. I'm gonna chain 2. So I'm gonna start a decrease here in the first 2 stitches. So I will yarn over, insert the hook into the first stitch, pull through. I've got 3 loops, pull through 2, yarn over again, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull through 2. I've got 3 loops, pull through all. That's a double crochet decrease. I'm gonna do it again in the middle of the row in these 2 stitches. So yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch, pull through 2 and hold, yarn over into the next stitch, insert the hook, pull through 2, pull through all 3. That's another decrease. And here I've got the last 2 stitches. When you have to do it at the end of the row, the same thing, yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch, pull through 2 and hold, yarn over again, insert the hook into the stitch, pull through 2, pull through all. And that's another decrease at the end of the row. So this is how it looks like when you need to decrease 1 stitch in your work. That's how you do it. It's called 2 double crochet together or a double crochet decrease. See you next time.